Hello, I am Imo, founder of EjiTech. Today I want to talk about something that affects the results we get tomorrow, and that is the actions we take today and every single day. The truth is, to get the results we want tomorrow, we have to figure out what we have to do today, the little steps that we have to take. I mean, if you were trying to pass an exam tomorrow, you have to study today. If you're trying to publish a book, you have to write a certain amount of words every day, so that at the end of a certain amount of time, you would have enough material to publish your book. If you are in sales and you want more business, then you probably have to make more phone calls each day. If you want a 10% growth, you make 10% more phone calls each day. The truth is, we might know what results we want. The question is, do you know what steps you have to take each day to get the results you want? It is worth taking the time to figure this out, because then you have a roadmap to get you from point A to point B, which is the results that you want. Now, if you're having problems trying to figure out the steps you have to take to get to where you want to go to, you can reach us at www.ejitech.com and we'll be happy to help. To see more videos like this, remember to click the subscribe button. And if you have any questions about anything discussed in this video, or you need help jump-starting any of your projects, you can reach us via our website, which is www.ejitech.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.